Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east in Prospect, St. Mary Parish from Oracabessa. We are driving on the A3 Oracabessa to White River Road, same as the Northern Coastal Highway. To the left, you can find Frankfort Bay. Turning into Prospect, and if we had continued straight, then the road would take us to Tower Isles, Rio Nuevo, same as Rio Nuevo, Stuart Town, Boscobel, Oracabessa, Port Maria, and other places. We are now driving on the Frankfort to Gayle Road. Prospect Estate was purchased by Sir Harold Mitchell in 1936, without him ever having laid eyes on it. The Prospect Plantation had 3 owners before Sir Harold Mitchell. Sir Harold Mitchell's affection for Jamaica began when he was a small boy, inspired by his well-travelled uncle who told tales of Jamaica. Later, another of Sir Harold's uncle, who owned a plantation in Jamaica, notified his nephew of a 1,000-acre estate which was being offered for sale. The property had a mile-long sea frontage and rose to a height of nearly 1,000 feet. The 1,000-acre Prospect Plantation, which dates back from 1721, is full of surprises and attractions. On the Prospect Estate is an early 18th century great house. It is of 2 stories and the ground floor is fortified with 28 loopholes that were designed to protect it against marauding pirates and buccaneers. The plantation offers a variety of enjoyable tour options. In 1947, Sir Harold married and arrived at the great house with his bride, Mary Mitchell, née Pringle. Over the years, Sir Harold and Lady Mitchell hosted heads of state, royalty, and diplomats, and established a custom of inviting their guests to plant trees on the estate. To date, there is a large Jamaican mahogany tree near the entrance to the great house, which was planted by Sir William Churchill in 1953. Prospect Plantation is managed and operated by Dolphin Cove Limited. On the right is Prospect College. Prospect College was founded in 1956 by Sir Harold Mitchell. The college is a semi-military institution which has been providing high school education to boys from across Jamaica at no cost to these boys or their parents. Students who attend the institution are provided with full scholarships. Discipline is of paramount importance at the school, and the cadets excel at academics. The road to the right runs parallel with the White River, and it will take you to the other section of Prospect where you will find the Prospect Great House, as well as back onto the Frankfort to Gayle Road, which will take you to Lodge, Cascade, Gayle, Lambkin Hill and other communities. We are still driving on the Frankfort to Gayle Road. On the left is St. Mary Country Club, which is a gated community. Entering Charlestown. The sign on the left reads, "Welcome to Charlestown," and to the left is the Charlestown Playfield. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.